Hi guys, welcome back to my channel, Edmond Mendaros, and here with another quick tutorial. At sa video ito ay tuturo ko on how to allow extensions in incognito mode on Google Chrome. Alright, so this should hopefully be a pretty straightforward process guys, and let's go ahead. Ang next step ay dito lang sa ating Chrome browser, so open lang natin yan. And then dito sa upper right side, click mo lang itong tatlong dot. And then ang next ay kailangan mo lang i-select yung extensions. And then ang susunod ay kailangan mo na click to manage extensions. Click lang natin yan. So dito sa extensions and my extensions ay ito lahat yung mga Google Chrome extension tools. Kung paano ba natin i-allow ang incognito mode sa bawat tools ay napakasimple lang. So makikita mo dito yung details and remove. Okay? So click mo lang tong details. And then scroll lang tayo. At dito sa kanyang site settings, so makikita mo kaagad dito yung allow and incognito. Alright, so kung paano ba ito i-allow or enable siya, so click mo lang itong button na to, and then ganun po na siya kadali mga kaibigan. Okay, so kung ayaw mo naman ito or gusto mong i-disable, or kung ayaw mo itong i-allow, so click mo lang itong button na to. Ayan, ganito siya. Alright, so ganun lang po kasimple mga kaibigan kung paano ba natin i-allow ang extensions in incognito mode on Google Chrome. Alright, so please don't forget to like this video and subscribe to my channel for more helpful tutorials and tips. And if you have any questions or suggestions, please leave them in the comment below. Thank you guys and see you in my next tutorial.